Hi, I'm Lizzie, I'm 30 years old and I live in Melbourne. I've always, for my whole life, I've sort of been out in nature, whether it's at the beach or going for hikes with my family. So I really feel quite comfortable in nature and I get a lot out of it. Like it almost makes me feel better and gives a bit of energy when I'm in nature. I feel a bit more peace. When I'm in nature, it relieves a bit of the stress of everyday world, you know, sort of gives you perspective of how big or small your issues really are, I guess. Climate change and the environment changing definitely gives me a lot of stress and anxiety, so I try and look for progress and the things that I can do that can help make a difference to try and help with that. I was really grateful that it was very easy to use. It's super simple information, and I was also impressed that there was really clear information for someone with a balcony because I don't have a really big garden, so I appreciate that.